Today is 12th of September 2024. I'm back with the update on Nifty 50 forecast. So the last update which was given was on the 8th of August. So let's see how we have performed in this particular forecast after 8th of August till today. On the 6th of August, I had mentioned that we are expecting a high pivot on 14th August 2024. So we were expecting a high pivot on 14th August 2024, but what happened here was that we got a low pivot here on 14th August 2024. That means we were hit by an inversion, unexpected inversion in between, which actually happened on the 8th of August here. So this was a pivot which came in unexpectedly. So though the 14th August pivot came in, the polarity changed because of this particular pivot and it became a low pivot. Luckily, for the ones who are actually using the Pro indicator, for the Pro version, the Pro subscribers didn't get a buy call, so they were kind of saved because of this. Then on the 13th, I had mentioned that we are going to have a low pivot on the 20th of August and a high pivot on 26th August. Both can be +1 -1 trading day. So after this pivot on 14th, we were expecting a pivot on 20th, a high pivot on 20th, which actually came on 21st, which was +1 day, which is perfectly all right. And the next was expected on 26th of August. So this came on 23rd August instead of 26th, which was -1 trading day. So this was also acceptable. So both these pivots actually took shape exactly when we wanted it to take shape. After that, we continued with the forecast, and the next forecast was announced on 28th of August. We mentioned that we'll have a high pivot on the 1st or the 2nd of September. So after this, the next pivot was supposed to be a high pivot on the 1st or 2nd of September. So we had a high pivot here on the 2nd of September, which was the highest pivot in that particular time. And then after that, on the 1st of September, we had mentioned that the next pivot is going to be a 4th September pivot, and this is going to be a low pivot because it was an inversion chance, but the chance was only 50%. Could happen, could not happen. That was the kind of a thing because it was not coming on a repetition of data in the past, so it was a kind of 50% chance of having a pivot. So if this happens here, then this becomes a high. If this pivot does not take shape, then it becomes a low. So let's see what happened after that. So as you see that we didn't form a low pivot here. In fact, the low pivot actually came on the 8th of September, 9th of September. That was +1 trading day because 8th was a holiday. So it actually came on 9th of September. So since the inversion did not happen, this pivot polarity changed on to become a low. So this was also on dot. Next is we are expecting the forecast for September, and the forecast for September says that we are expecting a high on 15th of September. So immediately after this particular pivot, the market has started moving up. It's on track, and today we made a new high in the Nifty, and this is supposed to continue till the 15th of September. So the pivot will either get formed on 13th of September, which is a Friday, or on 16th of September, which is a Monday. So we see that the pivot was on time. Of course, we missed one particular inversion in between because this was an inversion which we had not announced. So this was one inversion which we missed, but the dates which were announced were all bang on. So this is the power of the Lunar forecast.